everyone, another day here at KBR, and got a new project today. We are going to turn this pile of sand gravel mixture into concrete. Got a skid steer cement mixture attachment, and we're going to pour a series of footings around some water projects that we've had going since this spring. So stay tuned, and maybe we can make some strong mud.